Hi guys, welcome back to Vape and Juice TV. Today we're doing another unboxing and it is of the Vaporesso Switcher. Let's see what's in here. So when you first open it, you'll have your USB lead and your user manuals in here. Very standard, comes with pretty much any device. Let's pop that away. And you've also got the switcher mod itself. With these you can actually adjust the sleeve, so you can have a few different colour options if you wanted to change those. So just slide in and slide out. And then you get the NRG mini tank. You also get a spare glass, spare O-rings and a vape band. And you get a spare coil. That's about it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our content, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.